So here we are, the last video of the year. We're just about to wrap up for Christmas, but before we do, I just wanted to give you a little snapshot about how simple it is to set up the EL Classifier tool on the In-Sight 2800 using Cognex In-Sight Vision Suite. And what better thing to use than a few Christmas chocolates? Ho, ho, ho. Let's set up the EL Classifier tool. Let's connect to the camera. We're using Easy Builder because it's that easy. The Classify tool really is for users to use themselves. Let's work our way through it. First thing I'm going to do, put one of my chocolates under there, and I'm going to tell it to optimize lighting and optimize focus, and then I've got a nice crisp image. I can then move on to my inspect step. Now the tool we're going to use is under VD EL tools, and it's the Classify tool, and I'm going to click that and it gives me this box, and I can make that as big as I like. I'm going to make it the whole screen, and to do that I am going to use this button just here, maximize cell region, and that's made that the whole image. I can then click OK over here. Okay, so when we get into the Classify tool, it automatically gives us two classifications, OK and no good. I'm not worried about the no good one, but the OK, I'm going to rename that, and I'm going to call it, this one's called Golden Barrel. So that is exactly what I'm going to write. So that's been trained as Golden Barrel, and now what I want to do is I want to give it a few more images of Golden Barrel so that it understands what it is. You can see that immediately it says that one's unclassified, it doesn't recognize it. But as soon as I start giving it a few different images, you can see now the yellow dot is what it thinks is the best match. So in this case, Golden Barrel, and then the green circle shows us a percentage of how close a match it thinks it is. And as you can see, this one's all the way around. It's given us a 100% predictive class score. I'm also going to teach the back of this as well, because it's still the same chocolate, even if it's upside down. Golden Barrel. I'm going to move it. And we just move it around, take a few images, add that to it as well. Okay, so that's our Golden Barrel done. Let's move on to our Strawberry Dream. So there's my image of that. I'm going to add a class, and I'm going to call this Strawberry, oh no, sorry, Dreamy Strawberry, my mistake. Dreamy Strawberry. I'm going to OK that, and I'm going to click on it just to say that that's what that is. I'm then going to move it a bit. Next image, Dreamy Strawberry. Move it again. Next image, Dreamy Strawberry. And I'm going to carry on doing that. And I'm going to do that for all of these chocolates. You don't have to watch me do it. Let's speed things up a little bit. Okay, so now we've got all those trained in, we can put this on repeat and trigger, and we can pop our sweets in, and we can see that it's does a great job of telling us exactly what they are. And that is as simple as it is to train AI-based tools when we're using a Cognex smart camera. So, get yourself an In-Sight 2800, have a play with the EL Classify, and have yourself a Merry Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.